Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a pleasant day in store for the area today. Only a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, looking at only about a 10 to 15% chance of that occurring. So most likely we won't see that, and just some tranquil conditions continuing. Seeing our next best chance of showers and thunderstorms come late tomorrow afternoon in the evening hours. But otherwise, just going to see some more warm conditions to hot conditions today. Not as humid as we've seen the last few weeks this week, so heat indices should be under 100 degrees this week. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure building in from the west. We have this weak stationary boundary south of our region. That's going to be the case for today as this boundary stays off the south. We'll have high pressure still trying to build in. Then we'll have a cold front. It's currently across the Great Lakes starting to sweep through for tomorrow. So taking a look at our current observation, just a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds out of the south-southeast at 4 knots, temperature 75 degrees, and relative humidity at 90%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see the cloud cover off to our south this morning. A little bit of that cirrus cloudiness overhead, as well as seeing that milky look to the satellite imagery this morning. That is due to some smoke in the upper atmosphere, due to some wildfires that's continuing to move over the eastern portion of the United States, giving us some really nice sunsets and sunrises, but giving you that milky and hazy look to the sky for the daytime hours. So taking a look at the camera shot, you can see we do have that milky look to the sky this morning. And you can see as we pan around on the camera shot here, very similar conditions. Not seeing any or much cloud cover out there this morning, and not going to see too much cloud cover across the area for this afternoon or the evening hours. Just going to see that cirrus cloudiness across the region. You can see as we pan across the area, very similar conditions with that milky sky appearance. Looking at our 3-kilometer HRRR for today, you can see the cloud cover builds in a little bit more this afternoon with the upper level cirrus cloudiness. Also see some cumulus clouds starting to develop along the spine of the Delmarva. Could see a pop-up shower thunderstorm, as I mentioned, only about a 15 to 10% chance of that occurring. But overall, as I mentioned today, fairly tranquil. And looking at the risk chart, green chart across the board today, only a slight chance of that pop-up shower thunderstorm between 12 and 1600 local. Going to see our high around 88 degrees today, so a warmer day today. Humidity value still lower than compared to last week, as I mentioned. Going to see those dew points in the 60s to possibly near 70 degrees today. Seeing our overnight low warmer tonight as we'll have that cold front approaching from the west. That's going to start to give us some more southwesterly flow, keeping our temperatures up into the lower to mid-70s, expecting a low around 74 degrees. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions today. We'll see a good amount of cumulus cloud development for this afternoon, most likely above 3,000 feet. So should see those VFR conditions. Could see some ceilings around 5,000 feet this afternoon. But overall, going to see anywhere from partly cloudy skies to briefly mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. And then for tomorrow morning, going to see mostly sunny skies with some filtered sunshine across the region. Going to see a decent amount of upper level cirrus cloudiness, but should see that sunshine break through that cirrus. Our tides are currently normal. And looking at our winds real briefly, going to see fairly light winds today once again. Northwest later this morning, then variable once the sea breeze comes on shore. Turning more southeasterly this early, and then seeing those winds southwest overnight. It'll be a bit more gusty tomorrow, southwest 7 to 12, gusting to 17 knots by tomorrow morning. So looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday mostly centered in the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening. It will be hot, high of 89 degrees. Heat indices should be under 100 degrees for our Wednesday, as dew points will be in the 60s. Our chances of precipitation look to be about 25% across the area with those isolated thunderstorms. Wednesday night, partly cloudy to mostly clear, less humid, low of 67 degrees. And Thursday looks like a really nice day across the region. Partly cloudy, less humid, and pleasant, high of 85 degrees. Dew points look like they could be in the possibly upper 50s for a time on Thursday. So some really more comfortable air moving in the region for Thursday, and seeing green chart across the board for Wednesday night into Thursday. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock. We'll look at the next 7 days.